In the following tutorial, we want to show you how you can adjust your gauge quickly and easily by using the 2-point adjustment. The 2-point adjustment is helpful when you have a measuring object with special characteristics, like a rough or a convex surface, or you need a higher precision as with the 1-point adjustment. Furthermore, it is helpful when you measure close to an edge, or you have an unknown substrate, if ferrous or non-ferrous. In the measuring mode of the gauge, we open the main menu via the Home button and navigate to the yellow Adjustment tab. In this Adjustment tab, we open the Settings submenu and confirm that with OK. In the following menu, we see all adjustments that the device enables. Now we are in the submenu and navigate to the menu topic 2-point adjustment and confirm this with OK. Optionally, we can also decide whether we want an average value if we have a rough surface with unknown roughness and the number of the measuring points that should be included in this adjustment. Here we'll limit ourselves to 3 measured values. Alternatively, we can also use 5, 10 or any number of measuring points. Now we have completed the settings, and by pressing the soft key again, we switch into the upper menu and start the adjustment. After completion of the measurement, we got the result shown in an information window for point 1 and point 2. This we confirm with OK button. Our adjustment is now completed, and we enter the measuring mode via the Home button or by placing the probe on the coated surface directly.